Hello, I am Kanakanaji from class 7th A. Today I am going to test the acidic and basic nature of the given solution by using the China rose indicator. Materials we required the 3-4 China roses, soapy water, lemon water, two transparent bowls and some water for boiling the China rose petals. And then we boil the China rose for 2-3 minutes. After boiling the China roses, the color of the water is dark green, and then we separate the China roses from the water and then pour some water into the transparent bowls, and then we add the lemon juice into the China rose water and mix it well. The water is turned pink, and then we add the soapy water into the water. It turns and then it's turned green. The color changes the pink because the lemon contains the citric